So for today's video, it's a little different from my normal videos. I actually asked you in a recent collab I did with my friend Melissa if you think that I should recreate someone else's makeup look, and everyone was saying to do Kaushal Beauty's, which I thought was an amazing idea. Kaushal is an incredible YouTuber based in London. I met her once at New York Fashion Week years and years ago, and she was like literally the sweetest little button. Her accent was like so sweet and cute, and she's just so adorable. I feel like her channel radiates positivity. It's just like really cool to see a brown chick in the million-plus game, which is what she is. So I would tell you guys to go check out her channel, but probably everyone here follows her already. I actually have been wanting to do a glowy makeup look tutorial anyways, and I found one from her that's all about the golden hour makeup, like that's what she calls it. And I thought, why not do that? I love how she starts everything with, "Hi, my angels." Like, she's so cute. I cannot pull that off. I'm all about the hey guys. But let's just get right to it. I am getting ready for an event anyway, so this is like actually perfect. So it's called her Golden Hour Makeup Tutorial. Kylie's in here. She lives with me. I'm trying to get her to do a video with me. Let me get tan first. You know you're not brown when. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I feel like y'all are gonna be like, Deepica, you completely did this thing wrong. So whatever, you'll never get good at it until you try, right? So here I am.
Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this.
Look how beautiful she is without makeup too. I love it. You know my favorite part about her skin is the freckles. Like, I love that she has freckles.
So first of all, I'm going to take my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk.
Okay, she's going to use Giorgio Armani in hers, but there is not a Giorgio Armani that matches me. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation 330 Toffee Caramel. And then what is she putting in hers? I have my little beauty blender.
I am going to add a tiny bit of my All Hours foundation.
And then she's mixing a different foundation in hers.
A little bit of the Iconic Illuminator drops.
Oh, and then she's putting these Iconic drops. So I don't have the Iconic drops, but what I do have are these, I'm actually really excited to try these L'Oreal Lumi drops. They're all the jam. So I'm going to put that into mine like she did, because it is a really good tip actually to put these highlighter drops directly into your foundation to give you an all-over glow. I don't know if my attempt to be Kaushal is gonna work out right now. Wait, she's going too fast because hers is edited. Hold on. She used the Iconic drops. I'm using L'Oreal Lumi, but the whole point being to give yourself an all-over glow. This is the first time I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I've heard it's really good, so we reviewed it on Tinted, and Shema, our editor, really loved it. She says it's really good drugstore full coverage. Do you guys see how like glowy my skin is? That's totally because we put the Lumi drops directly into the foundation. It's pretty awesome. The Lumi products, actually, there's like the Glotion, which is like a lotion. You can put it all over on your face, on your body. I like these drops though because they're really versatile. Like, you can use them directly into your foundation. You can target it to parts of your face. I'll probably do that at some point in this tutorial. Okay, that looks really good. It's a good color on me too. Wow, okay, that's good. Can you tell it's my first time using it? I'm like really impressed.
I'm gonna go in with a cream contour.
Okay, now she's going in with her contour palette. Ugh, I need to get a contour palette. Why do I not have any? That's like crazy. Like, I'm using this Makeup Forever stick right now. It's the shade R50 to contour. She doesn't go directly in. She's obviously because she was in a palette. So I'm gonna do the same as her. So she contours the same places I do. That's good. She does her nose too, yay. I always feel so validated when I see like legit makeup artists, YouTubers do something and it's like something I do also. I'm like, oh my god, yes. I like sticks. I just feel like this just makes it so much more complicated, but she's the pro, so I'm just gonna follow.
I'm gonna take my Eraser Eye Concealer.
Oh man, I wish I had that Maybelline concealer. That one looks legit. But I'm gonna use my concealer that's different, but in the same places that she did. And I'm gonna try this one from Stellar Beauty. It's an Indian founder of this brand, Stellar, so I'm rooting for it. Shade S03. I need to get that Maybelline concealer. I've used it in the past, but I didn't find my shade. But the rollerball situation of it, and look how highlighted it makes her face look. If it makes mine look like that, I'm so down. Kylie's watching me like a hawk, guys.
I gotta learn.
I have this YouTube channel you could check out.
And then again, blend that out as well with my beauty blend.
Oh, so she immediately blended it out. That makes more sense to me, because that's actually what I do too. But come on, makeup. Turn me into a glow. I'm still obsessed with my base right now. That L'Oreal Lumi drop mixed with that Maybelline foundation was incredible. Okay, so now I need to blend out my concealer. First time I'm using the Stellar Beauty one. Let's see how it sets. I personally like when underneath my eyes is like much brighter, but this looks like it's setting well. What do you guys think? Let me know below. Okay, Kaushal, tell me your ways. What is next?
So I'm going to use my Patrick Star powder to set underneath my eyes.
Okay, and then she sets her face. I'm using this one from It Cosmetics. Oh, she uses a brush to set her face. I actually just use my beauty blender, but what would Kaushal do, right? Face is now set for the most part.
For bronzer, I'm taking my trusty Hoola bronzer.
Go in with the bronzer. So she takes a powder bronzer next. I'm gonna use this one from Too Faced. I don't have that Becca one either. Wow, you guys are literally gonna be like, Deepica, you're just doing your own makeup look. Like you're not following hers. I'm sorry, I'm learning. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over all the places that I put on my normal bronzer with this Smith brush, which I'm obsessed with. I agree with her. In the beginning, it feels like you're going overboard, but you can always blend it out with your beauty blender afterwards. That's what I do. Make it a little even. Oh my God, I butchered. I would die to have a British accent. Slightly go over.
And then for blush, we are gonna take this.
Okay, she's using a shimmery blush. I just got these from Nars, so I'm gonna use these. It's my first time using it, but they look so pretty. Let's use this pinky color in the middle. Look how pretty that is. Like, yes. What kind of brush is that? Oh my God, I want that brush she's using. Come on, pigment. I'm mixing these two together. It's pretty, right? No clue what it looks like for you guys, but IRL, it looks good.
For highlighter, we have to go a little bit cray-cray because it is golden hour. So I'm gonna take a little tiny amount of the iconic London Illuminator drop.
So I'm going to use the Lumi in the same way that she's using the iconic.
Blend it out on the back of my hand.
Blend it on the back of my hand. Just gonna go a little bit extra. Yeah, she carries it through up here. I do that too. So this is the base glow that the Lumi gave, and that is a glow, darling. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna take my Ultra Pro Glow Kit from Makeup Revolution.
Okay, then she goes over it with an actual powder glow. Nars sent that blush. They also sent this beautiful highlight. She uses the same kind of brush as me, which is like one of these fan brushes to do it. I'm just gonna go across all three. She's using a Sephora brush. This is Laura Mercier, but I need to get that fluffy brush she has because she's raving about it. Oh, I am really trying to do what she is. Drip me, darling. Drip, drip, drip. This with the Lumi L'Oreal, I am feeling you. Brilliant. Oh, I really just want to talk like Kaushal, guys.
And then this is the part where I go back in with any blush and any bronzer.
She's going back over with some blush. Yeah, I do that too. Because the highlight can take over your life a little bit.
So first I'm actually going to do my brows, and I'm going to be using the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit.
Okay, so she uses the Benefit brow pencil right now. I used to use that, but I'm really into this Dior Universal one, the brow styler. Melissa got me on it and I am obsessed. Oh, I love this brow pencil. A bold brow just gets me really hype. Oh God, she zoomed in. Let me zoom in. Oh, let me put a disclaimer. You guys know, my lids are not my thing. What does she do here?
But I really want to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette.
Of course. You guys, I'm the only one in the entire planet that does not have this Huda palette. But I have Anastasia of Modern Renaissance. Close enough, right? I don't know, people love both of them. So she's putting what in her crease?
I'm gonna start off by using Sandalwood all in my crease and really building up.
So she did like a warm color in her crease. So I'm gonna take raw sienna and attempt the same thing. I just have never got how people are so good at this. I just want everyone to know that if I can do this, all of you can too. There's a reason you see me do one color across the whole lid. I don't even think I know what a cut crease is. I also think I'm using the wrong brush for this. Does it kind of sort of look like it? Do you guys see how nervous I am about you guys coming for me saying I suck? Okay, what's next?
Now to deepen up the crease, I'm gonna add some of the henna into the outer third.
Okay, she's putting this like orangey shade into the outer third. I'll use Real Gear and do that, but I don't think I have the brushes she uses. The Sigma tapered blending is really good. It's the one I use, but it has black on it. She started out here, kind of took it into the crease, right? I just don't get how people get it blended out so well. Do they it's just like this? Just keep going? I don't know. By the way, I have some dryness on my eye. I think you can see it right there. It's really gross. Some lash glue effed me up, man. I don't think this looks right. I need to stick to just doing my tutorials. Blend, 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 blend. This is blending, this is blending, this is how I blend. I just go like this until it feels like there's not a gross crease. Is that right? I don't know.
It is looking like I have got a sunset going on my eyes.
Do I look like I have a sunset? I look like I got like a burnt roast. Okay, what now? She does a gold. I used to have that Jouer palette too. I always regret giving things away. I somehow always keep ending up back at this Dominique palette, dude. This gold in here, this espresso and creme brulee, they've become my life.
But now we're gonna work on the outer corner and really smoke that out and make it.
I'm really stressed about this smoke she's about to do. How did she just do that, you guys? That's smoke. I'm just gonna touch a bunch of these. What am I doing? It's crazy how different eyeshadows look on different people with different pigments and skin tones, man. I mean, did I kind of do it? Kind of, sort of? It's not as intense of a smoke as hers, but I honestly feel like if I add any more, I'm gonna look like I got punched in the face.
We cannot forget the eyebrow highlight.
I love a good brow highlight. That I can do. Cute! Cute! Wait. Oh my god, this is a disaster. I'm just gonna let Kaushal stick to the like shadow thing. You guys come to me for like hacks and like red lipstick under the eyes. People ask me like, oh, do you feel competition with other brown? Like, no, I don't feel competition. If it was competition, homegirl would win. We're different. We have different things we're good at. Like, she's incredible makeup artist. I'm not a makeup artist, you guys. Oh my god. All of the freaking technical difficulties. My card ran out of space, my battery was out. All I did in the meantime, well actually Kaushal did it at the same time too, so it's like we planned it or something, but like smoked out underneath my eye, using the same palette. I have lashes on. These are my friend Deepa's lashes. I put some Fenty on my lid, trophy wife, because I felt like hers was so much golder than mine, right? This is as good as gonna get, y'all. It's not getting better. Okay, what does she do next? She does her lip.
And now that the eyes and everything is done, we've just got lips left. So first of all, I'm going to line them using Mahogany from MAC.
I feel like hers is like a brownie color, so I'm using this one Urban Decay. Urban Decay 24/7, shade Nighthalk.
So I'm going to use a Charlotte Darling from Charlotte Tilbury. I did add a tiny bit of Fortune Cookie from Beauty Bakery on top.
Now I'm going in with this Maybelline 7D Amazonian Superstay. I'm gonna take some of this Fenty. I'm gonna go for it, ready?
But I am going to set all of my makeup in place, as always.
Oh, we got a set. She sets the face. What do I have to set? Pretty sure Kylie stole my Urban Decay one because it's her favorite, so I don't have that, but I have this Too Faced one, Hangover 3-in-1. I've never used it. Let's try it. That does feel like coconut. Oh, coconut base. There you go. Okay, look guys, did I get that glow? It's night right now, so I can't do that glow that she had in her video. Can someone tell me, and honestly, did I fail? I mean, I got some glow. I got some sun-kissed glow, a little more than a little sun-kissed glow, that Lumi, man. I think I went a little overboard. Well, this is my final look. I don't actually think I did Kaushal's look at all. Here's what I've learned from this recreation video. I'm gonna let Kaushal do Kaushal and I'm gonna do me because, you know what, that's the beautiful thing about this video I just learned is there's a reason that there's room for everyone on freaking YouTube because we cannot be each other, there's no way. I think, you know, it'd be even more fun if I actually did a collab video with her. That to me makes more sense. Maybe she can do Kaushal's makeup on Deepica because me doing Kaushal's makeup on Deepica didn't really work out. I think I did a decent smoke for a girl who's not good at shadow. I'll let you guys be the judge, but thank you Kaushal for all the inspiration and thank you guys for having me do this. It was fun, it was different. I like switching it up every once in a while, so subscribe to my channel, give me some ideas, give me some feedback. I'm excited to hear what else you guys want to see from me. Let me know what you think down below if you want me to do one of these again. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye guys.